Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. So today we all start the questions based on properties of determinant. Right, if A is equal to, if A capital A is equal to matrix x plus 4, 3, 2, 1. If A matrix is given in this way, if A is equal to x plus 4, 2, 3, 1 and B matrix is equal to x 2, 2x minus 1 and 5. Okay, B matrix is in this way, and determinant of AB is equal to 12. Determinant of AB is equal to 12. You have to find the value of x. Yes. Find the value of x. The question is in this way. Means A and B matrices are given, and also the determinant of AB is equal to 12, that is given, and you have to find the value of x. So what you do in that case, you have a property determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. Understand? So A and B matrices are already given. So you find the value of determinant of A and determinant of B, put it there and find the value of x in this case. Okay. So trying to simplifying. So what you do here, determinant of A into B can be written as determinant of A into determinant of B is equal to 12. Understand? Now, just see the value of A matrix is given. So you can write the value of determinant from this A matrix directly. So here what you have, here you have x plus 4 and minus 6. X plus 4 minus 6 is the value of determinant of A, and determinant of B, you can write 5x minus 4x plus 2 and is equal to 12. And is equal to 12. Yes, simplifying and trying to find the value of x. So here you have x minus 2 and here you have x plus 2 is equal to 12. So x square minus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, so x square is equal to 16. So the value of x is plus minus 4. So in this way, the value of x is plus minus 4. Yes, right. So the value of x is plus minus 4. So all that questions are of 1 marks or 2 marks. Now uh, we solve the questions based on 4 marks. Okay, 4 marks questions. Okay, done. So write next question. Yeah. Prove that determinant of x plus y, 5x plus 4y, 10x plus 8y, and here you have x, 4x, 8x, and third column is x, 2x, and 3x, that is equal to x cube. You have to prove that the determinant of this be 2x. So what you do, just think about it. You trying to make that means at least 2 0 in a row or column. At least 2 0 in a row or column. So if you are think about the element, here you have 10x and here you have 8x, understand, and here you have 5x and 4x are there. So you if how you make it as 0. So if you want, and here you have your first element is here x plus y, okay, and so how you make it as 0, just think about it. So if you applying any operation like that r2 replaced by r2, if you applying here, this means
R2 minus 5R1.
yes, r2 minus 4r1, okay. So r2 is replaced by r2 minus 4r1. So if you applying r2 minus 4r1, it becomes 0, okay. In the same way, you can make it here also 0 by multiplying this by 8, okay. So here you have again you have 0 here. So in this way you can make at least 2 0 in a row or column, understand. So applying it better. So here you take left side LHS and applying operation. Yes, r2 replaced by 4 times of r1, and for what about r3, you can write r3 replaced by r3 minus 2 times of r2. You can do it in this way. But here you take operation in r2 na. So r2 is changed. So r3, yes, you can write for r3 8 times of r1. Right in this way, 8 times of r1. So r3 is replaced by r3 minus 8 times of r1. Yes, applying it. And in this way, here you have 2 zeros and then simplifying it. And also one thing more, just listen better. Here you take x common and x common from second row and third column. Second column and third column. You can take x common. So overall, what you have x square in this case. Okay, so you can do it in this way also. Or you first you make it as 0, then you take out common. Okay, so here you write first column as it is, so x plus y, and here you have x and here you have x. So here you write first row as it is. No, yes, multiplying by 4 and that subtract from r2. So here you have x. 4 y's cancel out. Here you have x, and here you have 0, and here what you have 4 times, so minus 2x. Here you have minus 2x, and for third column, sorry, third row, 8 times. So you multiplying here by 8, so 8 y's cancel out. Here you have 2x. Yes, here you have 2x, and here you have 0 and
Minus 5X.
minus 5x. Okay, so again you have here you see that yes, x and x is common in second column and third column. So you take out outside. So here you have x square, x plus y, x, 2x. Here you have 1, 0, 0, and here you have 1, minus 2, and minus 5. 1, 2, minus 1, and minus 5. You write in this way. Okay. Now, if you want to expand it with respect to C2, okay, so just see what is its sign. So plus, and here you have minus. So how you expand it? Here you write x square into minus 1 into, yes, eliminating first row and second column. So here you have minus 5x. Yes, right, minus 5x and plus 4x. So minus 5x plus 4x is what? Here you have minus x, and this minus it becomes positive, and x square into x is equal to x cube. That is your right side. So in this way, sometime 4 marks questions are asked. Okay, that was asked in 2014 and 2009. Yeah, note it. Okay. In the same way, next question. Yes, right. Prove that here you have A, 2A, 3A. The same type of questions. A plus B and 3A plus 2B, 3A plus 2B, 6A plus 3B, 6A plus 3B, and third column is A plus B plus C, 4A plus 3B plus 2C, and 10A plus 6B plus 3C is equal to A cube, is equal to A cube. You have to prove this question. And that was asked in 2012. Okay. In the same way, here you trying to, that means make two zeros. Okay. So if you see the element, here you have 2A. So what you do, multiplying by 2 in first row and subtract to it. Multiplying by 3 and subtract with that means R3. So here you have two zeros, and then take out whatever be common in that. Okay. So here you again taking left side and applying operation, R2 replaced by R2 minus 2R1, and R3 is replaced by R3 minus 3R1. R3 minus 3R1. Okay, and just see what is your result. So first row you have to write as it is, A plus B, and here you have A plus B plus C. You have write as it is. Okay, multiplying by 2 and subtract, here you have 0, and here you have A, and here you multiplying by 2 and subtract, so 2C is cancel out, and here you have 2A plus B. 2A plus B. Understand? In the same way, for third column, third row, here you have 0, here you have 3A, and this one C is
7A plus
what?
7A plus 3B.
Achha, reflect. Board is reflect.
No, sir, I'm telling the answers.
Achha, achha. Done. I am not getting, beta, what you are saying. Who is saying?
So she is telling the answer.
Achha, what is its answer? Oh, it is to A cube, na? You have to prove it. It is A cube. Okay. Okay. So if you applying here, so you multiplying by 3, so C part is cancelled, and here you have 7 times of A plus 3B. Okay. So in this way, you have your result. Understand? Now see, you can take A common from first column. So, or you take A common, yes, you can take A common from first row, and here you have A, and then expand it. So here it be easy, very easy. So you can, or you can applying, that means you can expand it. You can also, if you want, you can expand it, or the other way, you can applying next property to here to reduce this term. So what you do in that case, yes, C3 replaced by C3 minus C2. If you are applying this operation, what you have here, you have C, here you have A plus B, and here you can write 4A plus 3B. So in this way, you can reduce its element, then that means expanding with respect to C1. Understand? Or you can, yes, write it directly here. So here you form two zeros. So you have A into, yes, eliminating first row and first column. So multiplying these two elements, so you have 7A square, you have 7A square plus 3AB, 3AB, and minus 6A square, and minus 3AB. Okay, so 3ab and 3ab is cancel out. Here you have a square, and a into a square becomes a cube. So that is the right side. So in this way, you can find its value. Okay, next question. Yes, right. Prove that determinant a plus bx, a plus b, here you have u, and c plus dx, cx plus d, and v, p plus qx, px plus q, and here you have w, and is equal to 1 minus x square into determinant ABU. ABU. Here you have C, D, V, and PQW. PQW. You have to prove the determinant in this way. Okay. So here you take left side, first thing, and just think about such type of operation that after common you have, means 1 minus x square is common in a row or column. Means you have to think about such type of operation which make 1 minus x square common in any row or column. Understand? So you have to think, oh sorry, just correct it. Here you have ax plus b. Sorry, ax plus b is there. Yes, make it correct. Ax plus b. Okay, just listen. So just you think about operation in such a way that 1 minus x square is common. So here you have ax and here you have b. So if you applying an operation like that, r1 is replaced by r1 minus x r2. Means here you multiplying r2 by x, understand, and subtract that from r1. So what happens if you multiplying here by x and subtract from r1, these cancel out, and here you have a minus ax square. So if you are taking a common, you have a term of 1 minus x square. Understand? So applying it. So here you take left side, and operation r1 is replaced by r1 minus x r2. r1 minus x r2, you can apply like that. So what happens? So b is cancel out if you subtract here. Now here you have ax square and here you have a. So if you are taking a common, so you have a into 1 minus x square. A into 1 minus x square. In the same way, d is cancel out. Okay, dx and dx is cancel out, and if you are taking c common, you have again 1 minus x square, and here q is cancel out, and if you are taking p common, so you have 1 minus x square. Understand? And write the remaining terms as it is. P ax plus b u, and here you have cx plus d v, and px plus q w. Okay, so write in this way. Now what you do?
The video is paused.
What better? Yes, it
Sir,
became.
video is paused. We are unable to see anything.
Okay, okay. No, just see. Actually, video that is not from my side. Just you see, just you wait. That means there be some connectivity problem. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now it be visible.
No, sir.
No, not visible.
No, sir.
अच्छा पूरा बोर्ड ही गायब हो जा रहा है क्या?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir,
No,
the
sir,
video
just
has
No,
paused.
sir.
The
video is paused.
अच्छा अच्छा
बोर्ड दिखने पर रुक गया है.
अच्छा बोर्ड दिख रहा है लेकिन मैं क्या आगे लिख रहा हूँ ये नहीं दिख रहा है ना
अब दिख रहा है
अब दिख रहा है चलो लिख लो बेटा जल्दी से
सर, लेट में आ रहा है कंटेंट।
हाँ बेटा वो नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है एंड दैट प्रॉब्लम इज फ्रॉम माय साइड एंड सम टाइम फ्रॉम योर एंड है ना ये दोनों की तरफ से हो रहा है ऐसा तो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट बस एक बार आप बोल दिया करो मैं थोड़ा वेट कर लिया करूंगा ठीक है कर लिया बेटा यहाँ तक
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
okay so now you taking 1 minus x square common so if you are taking 1 minus x square common so what you have 1 minus x square common so here you have a here you have ax plus b u here c cx plus d v and here you have p px plus q and w you have this result understand now see the result your first row is matched with the right side understand and third row is also matched only second row is disturbed so what is required here ax is to be cancelled out so how ax is cancelled out yes
Sir,
r2
R2 replaced by R2 minus XR1.
yes very good yes applying it so here you applying operation r2 replaced by r2 minus x r1 yes apply karo beta isko apply karo aa gaya result so in this way you can write 1 minus x square into right within determinant here you have a c p and here you have b d q and last row u v w write it u v w yeah so that is your right side yes write it done
Yes, sir.
okay चलो लिखो फिर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेम इसी टाइप के yes write it yeah determinant b plus c q plus r y plus z c plus a r plus p z plus x a plus b p plus q and x plus y and is equal to 2 times of determinant apx here you have b q y apx ab sorry p is there apx बेटा ये p है और apx bqy and crz okay so you have to prove this result now just you see what you do in this case so if you are taking that means seeing all that things here you have a term of first row all the terms of a b and c and in second row you have p q r and in third you have the terms of x y and z so you adding all that in column wise you have to add it in this way so that type of operation if you are moving along a horizontal line vertical line so the complete vertical line so you have to applying it in column operation okay so what you do if you are that means adding all that elements so what you have so here you have 2 times of a plus b plus c 2 times of p plus q plus r and 2 times of x plus y plus z so you have the element like that and you can take two common. Okay, so first you're taking left side and applying that operation. C1 is replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. So here you have all the elements that is of 2 times. Okay, so write it directly. 2 is taking common, and right here A plus B plus C. Here you have P plus Q plus R, and here you have X plus Y plus Z. You have the element like that, and write that means remaining elements. So C plus A, here you have A plus B, here you have R plus P, P plus Q, and Z plus X, X plus Y. Yes, write it in this way. Now just see, here you applying, and one thing you note it, and remember that point. In a 3-order determinant, you have to applying a property at a time, maximum 2 property, not greater than that. Otherwise, overlapping occurs and your question is wrong. Understand? ये आपको ध्यान रखना है बेटा, आप एक बार में सिर्फ 2 ही प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई कर सकते हो, उससे अधिक नहीं, मतलब एक स्टेप में. ओके, सो हियर what I am doing, yes, applying C2 replaced by C2 minus C1, understand, and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. Okay, so subtract it, understand. So just you applying here operation C2 replaced by C2 minus C1 and C3 replaced by C3 minus C1. You applying this operation, so here you have 2 times A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, and X plus Y plus Z. And if you are subtracting, here you have minus B, here you have minus Q, here minus Y. And in third column, minus C, minus R, minus Z. Okay, so in this way you have the result minus minus. So if you are taking minus common from second column and third column, so minus and minus becomes positive. And if you see the remaining element that we matched with the element on the right side, understand. So what you do in this case, here you applying here you applying the operation C1 is replaced by C1 minus C2 minus C3. So if you are just see here, so B plus C is subtracted here. So here you have A, here you have P, and here you have X. So in this way your result is proved. Okay. So first of all, you are taking here minus and minus common from C2 and C3. Understand? So it becomes positive, and you have the same element like that. Understand? So yes, write it again, this the same step. So 2 times of A plus B plus C, P plus Q plus R, X plus Y plus Z, and here you have B, Q, Y, and C, R, Z. Okay, now applying again operation C1 replaced by C1 minus C2 minus C3. Here you applying other operation, C1 replaced by C1 minus C2 minus C3. So you have 2 times of A, P, X, B, Q, Y, and C, R, Z, and that is your right side. That is your right side. So in this way, result is proved. Okay, next question. Determinant A plus B plus 2c, c. Here you have a, b plus c plus 2a, a, b, c plus a plus 2b, and is equal to 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. A plus b plus c whole cube, you have to prove it. Actually, so what you do, just listen. Here you have a plus b plus 2c, and here you have a and b. So add it column wise. So what you have, 2 times of a plus b plus c. In the same way, here you have 2 times of a plus b plus c, and here you also have 2 times of a plus b plus c. So taking common outside. So here you have 1, 1, 1, and yes, applying an operation in such a way that at most, that means 2 zeros, at least 2 zeros you obtain there. Understand? So applying it. So here you take left side, and operation C1 is replaced by C1 plus C2 plus C3. C1 plus C2 plus C3. So in this case, you have the element like that, 2 times of A plus B plus C. Okay. So applying it. So 2 times of A plus B plus C. Okay. And here you have 2 times of A plus B plus C, 2 times of A plus B plus C, and write other element as it is, plus 2A. Here you have A, here you have B, and C plus A plus 2B. Now taking 2 times of A plus B plus C common, so you have 1, 1, 1. Here you have A, B plus C plus 2A, and A, B, C plus A plus 2B. Okay. So in this way, you have the remaining elements. Now what you do, you make this one as 0 and this one as 0. So how it is possible? Yes, see, R2 is replaced by R2 minus R1. R2 minus R1, and R3 is replaced by R3 minus R1. Okay, you applying that result. Yes, applying your next operation in R2 and R3. So right, R2 replaced by R2 minus R1, and R3 is replaced by R3 minus R1. So 2 times of A plus B plus C, you write as it is, which is common. And the element of first row, you write as it is, 1A and B. Here you have 0. If you subtract R2 and R1, so you have A plus B plus C, and here you have 0. Understand? Third row, you have, here you have 0, and if you subtract here, you have minus times of A plus B plus C, and here you have A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Now see the element carefully. Just see, here you can take common A plus B plus C in second row and A plus B plus C in third row. So if you are taking common from second row and third row, you have a 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube. And what is your remaining element? You write it. Understand? So here we take common A plus B plus C from second row and third row. Okay. सो राइट इट बेटे, देखो क्या मिल रहा है आपको, चेक करो. सो that is equal to 2 times of a plus b plus c whole cube. Okay, now the element which is left here, yes, right. So what you have, 1 0 0 right here, 1 0 0. Here you have a1 minus 1, a1 minus 1, and in third column you have b0 1. Here you have b0 1. Understand? Now expanding with respect to C1. So if you are expanding with respect to C1, so you have 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube, and into, yes, eliminating first row and first column, you have 1 minus 0. So you have 1 minus 0. So finally you have 2 times of A plus B plus C whole cube. That is your right side. That is your right side. So in this way, you prove it. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So the time is about to over because if we start it by the next question, no doubt it is not completed. Okay, when will your test? Are you know about it? Your test, 1st June or 2nd June? Your test will be on, I think,
28.
2nd June.
28, sir.
28th maths? No, no. 28 को मैथ नहीं.
25.
मैथ्स कब है? चेक करना है कोई टाइम टेबल.
The 1st June.
क्या बेटा? 1st June.
1st June.
ओके, 1st June को